Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Twin Dolphin Music Box in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the planet button and go to the discovery and select the Protect the Ocean event. Go to the event and you're going to claim your reward. Okay, and to claim your reward, guys, your ocean cleanup hobby must be at level 3. This is different from your regular player level, so make sure you've leveled up the cleanup hobby first. And then you just need to click on claim, and the Twin Dolphin Music Box will be automatically delivered to your mailbox. And you will be able to place it in your home like this, and it has a sound guys, so just click on this icon to play it. That's very cool. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock the Twin Dolphin Music Box in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.